Mom! Guess what? Emily and Emma are coming over today, and we're planning a sleepover at our place.
Oh, that sounds like so much fun, sweetheart. Let's make sure it's a night to remember. What do you have in mind?
Well, first things first, we need to figure out what to make for dinner. Emily and Emma love steak, so I was thinking you could make your amazing steak recipe.
Steak, huh? That does sound delicious. All right, we'll add it to the menu. What else should we have with it?
How about some garlic mashed potatoes and a green salad too? And for dessert, we can make chocolate lava cakes. How does that sound?
That all sounds fantastic. I'll get the recipe for the lava cakes ready. Now, let's talk about cleaning the house before they arrive. I think we should split the responsibilities. I want it to look nice and welcoming for your friends.
Sure, Mom. I can vacuum the living room, and you can tackle the kitchen and bathrooms. We want everything to be spotless.
Agreed. Teamwork makes the dream work. And don't forget, we also need to go grocery shopping today before they arrive. Anything specific you want to get?
Well, we definitely need steak, potatoes, salad greens, chocolate for the lava cakes, and some cookies. Maybe some soda or juice too.
Great suggestions, Amy. We'll also need to make sure we have enough snacks for the movie night part of the sleepover. How about some popcorn, chips, and salsa?
Perfect. Emily and Emma will love that. And Mom, do you remember any funny stories from your own sleepovers when you were my age?
Oh, yes! I remember one time when I had a sleepover at my friend Lisa's house. We were about your age, and we decided to have a midnight snack adventure. We quietly went into the kitchen and tried to make a huge ice cream treat with whatever we found in the fridge. We put in pickles, ketchup, and even some extra spaghetti sauce. It tasted really weird, but we couldn't stop laughing.
That sounds hilarious. I can't wait to make our own fun memories tonight. Thanks for helping me plan everything, Mom.
I'm sure it will be, Amy. Now let's get started on our preparations so we can make this sleepover a memorable one for you and your friends.